Test, 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 test. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Let's see how we sounding. Let's see how we sounding. Let me know how we sounding in the chat. We got a few setups we're looking at right now. You good? What's going on? Informational thoughts? You sounding good? Perfect, perfect. Dropped the Sunday chart analysis for y'all last night. Make sure to check that out if you have not already. We got a couple setups we're looking at. We're just going to wait a couple minutes, and then we're going to start breaking all that stuff down. Y'all already know the drill. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. When we look at any charts, drop them in the chat. Just dropped a video for y'all on Friday. So if y'all didn't check that video out, make sure to check that out. Got a couple videos lined up for y'all this week as well. Going to be dropping the Bitcoin weekly analysis for y'all today. So be on the lookout for that as well. Again, there is no high impact news today. So it's going to be just a typical Monday where we're just strictly waiting for our confirmations of volume to kick in. But it is going into, is this the last week of the month? I think we have one more week after this. Yeah, so we got one more week after this. All right. We do got a few news events coming on later on this week, so it's going to be real interesting to see how that plays out and how it also affects the markets. So we see GJ here rejecting this level, so we're just going to let it do its thing. We'll put this one up here. Let's see how GN reacts to this level 2. If GN can hold 1500 as support, we can't look for buyers going back up to this resistance level at 1565, but it's going to need to hold this level as support in order for the uptrend to continue. We are still technically bullish, especially because last week and the week beforehand, we continue to respect 1415 as support. We're about to see what this next 15 and 5 minute looks like. Those just joining the stream. We am not into this trade yet. It's just a trade idea. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join a free signal, free Telegram. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. When we get any charts, drop them in the chat. But you already know the drill. We're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. We got a couple setups we're looking at right now. We're just waiting to see if they can either continue to hold the levels or if we can break and hold the level. So with GJ, again, same thing has been going on for the past few weeks or this entire month, actually, most likely. Yeah, this entire month is we're still in an uptrend, but we're consolidating and ranging between two levels. We're struggling to break the resistance level at 195.35. We're also struggling to break the support level at 194.30. Right. So right now we're looking to see if it can hold 195.35 as support. If it can, we can look for buys going up to 196.30. We can also see the uptrend continue. But if it rejects the low, especially if it breaks below 194.20, holds that resistance, we'll most likely see the downtrend and reversal come into play. So right now we're just watching to see what shiny coin price is going to land on. I got my alerts either way, ready for a position either way it goes. Also be in buys. GN did break this low. As we can see, it's failed to really hold this low as support. So if GN can hold 14 or 1500, I should say, as support, we can look for buys, go back up to 1565. So that's what we're looking at right now here. And then with GU, it did a nice drop an hour ago. So we're either going to look for a retracement retest and see if it can continue to hold 30.45 as resistance and look for sales going down, or if it continues its way down, we're going to look to see if it can hold 30,005 as a resistance and look for sales going down to 2970. So that's the game plan right now. Again, we're just waiting for volume to kick in and our confirmations to be met. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. We're looking at the chart, drop in the chat. Make sure to hit that first link in the description and join the free signal, free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. We're going to pull that up in a second as well, so y'all can check it out. But if y'all don't want to wait, if y'all don't want to wait, go ahead and click that link and explore that channel. Dropped the Sunday chart analysis for y'all last night. Nothing's really has gone as projected yet. GU did a small little move, but besides GU, nothing else has gone as projected yet, so make sure to check that out.
If the new Chicken Big Mac at McDonald's looks like
Yeah, don't worry about the music. We're gonna play that music back in a second. Make sure I like the live, y'all. Again, just dropped the video for y'all Friday to start the weekend off and end the week. Make sure to check that out if you have not already. Got a couple videos lined up for y'all this week as well. So make sure to be on the lookout for that. But make sure to explore all the playlists. All playlists are up to date. New 5-minute just popped up. So we see GN is still kind of chilling here, but it's still got a little bit of work to do. So we're not going to pull the trigger on GN yet. And then we see GU still not either one of our levels. So again, we don't chase trades or enter trades late. So again, we're just simply waiting patiently. All right, make sure to hit that first link in the description. If you hit that first link in the description, you're going to see how we did last week. Last week we went 3-1. Then the week prior to that, we went 2-0. So that's how we're doing so far this month as far as October is concerned. But if you scroll to October 2nd, you'll see how we ended last month. We went 14-2 September, giving us an 88% win rate, catching a total of 35,486 pips. Again, scroll to October 2nd, you can see this right here. You click this blue highlighted, it's going to take you to the beginning of the month, as you can see. And then you scroll up just a little bit higher than that, then you can also see how we did August. So again, you click these, it'll take you up a week by week basis or month by month basis, depending on which one you click. All wins and losses are posted. It's in the link out to the live every time we go live. Beginning of every week, we drop the Sunday chart analysis, just like we dropped it last night for y'all. Again, the Sunday chart analysis doesn't just go over what we see price doing Sunday night going into Monday, but it goes over what we see price doing throughout the entire week. So make sure to check out the one I dropped last night for y'all. And we go to right here where it says subscribers and go to photos. There's over 1,000 photos, as you can see, and 2 years worth of receipts. So really scroll down 2 years and see that we've been doing this consistently for 2 years. You see screenshots of signals, screenshots of positions, student results, testimonials, all that good stuff. So make sure to explore that channel. If you just want to see student results and testimonials, follow me on Instagram. You see it scrolling at the bottom of your screen, playmaker_way, and go to my first highlight reel titled testimonials, and that'll be a lot easier. That's just straight up 2 years worth of testimonials and student results there. This is just a mix of a little bit of everything. Again, you see some news we caught, different buy setups, different sell setups. You know what I'm saying? You can, see how many pips was caught, all that good stuff, as well as I said, student results and testimonials. And we're all the way in 2023. You can see that again, nothing changed but the year and the date, same results, all that good stuff. So make sure to explore that channel. Again, right now we're just chilling, patiently waiting. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. When you can need charts, drop them in the chat. Appreciate everybody that liked the live already. Make sure to like the live and subscribe. All right, we don't just live stream over here, but we also post weekly videos from day trading tips, trade breakdown, trading psychology, all that good stuff. 215 just popped up. But I see how NAS reacts here as well. New 5 minutes about to pop up.
Meet Cheryl. Hey, she's on vacation and
No disrespect to anybody named Cheryl, but we don't care about this one right here. All right, back to the chill music, y'all. Back to the chill music. Again, y'all, we're waiting for confirmations to be met. If y'all been watching the live show, we can see that GJ has not moved at all. Well, it's moved a little bit, but it hasn't really moved from where it started. And London session worked, and especially hasn't even touched our level yet. So again, if we're not at our levels, our confirmations are met. We simply just do not enter that. Do not chase trades, do not get impatient, and we stick and follow our rules. Right? Imagine if we would have just took that GM trade just because price touched that level instead of waiting to hold. We'd be in drawdown for no reason right now and have potential risk of a stop loss getting hit. You see what I'm saying? NAS just alerted us. It's probably touching our support level. So let's go ahead and take a look at NAS. Let's see what NAS is talking about. So looking at NAS here, I went over this in the Sunday chart analysis as well. We are still technically bullish. We're just struggling to break this resistance here at 20,480. We need to hold that as support. But if it can continue to hold 20,330 as support, we can look for buyers going up, I should say, to 20,500, but it's going to need to hold that level of support in order for the uptrend to continue. So we're about to see if it can hold this level as support. Looks like GJ is about to try to break this next level as well. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, y'all. Y'all see it scrolling on y'all screen. Instagram, playmaker_weight, TikTok _playmaker_weight_. Got some videos lined up to post on social media as well, so make sure you look out for that. But also explore the past videos, past content I got on the channels as well, including the YouTube channel. All playlists are up to date. I'm going to be dropping the Bitcoin analysis today as well during New York session, so be on the lookout for that. All right, y'all. We're still gonna be in the charts again. We got our alerts up, and we're just waiting for volume to kick in. GJ's been in the same spot for this past hour. But let's see what this new hour is gonna be looking like. Shout out to everybody in the live. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since the beginning. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since y'all joined. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal for Telegram. If you're interested in how to identify these levels, signal service, or mentorship program, make sure to hit those links in the description. Again, watch any of my YouTube videos. All the last 2-3 minutes, all my videos go over all the details. If you want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Telegram or respond to all messages. And yeah, we're just gonna see what today is looking like, y'all. Again, we don't got any news today, so it's simply just gonna be waiting for volume and our confirmations to be met. All right, we're gonna be back at the same time tomorrow, London session 3 m EST.